Okay guys, now we replace the control board right now, so I hope gonna be okay. So guys, this is the control board LCD. The transformer very hot, you know? This transformer very hard, you know? This is hot, so this is the control board of press and fan machine.
Oh my God, Freddy, why you are not taking my phone?
You call me?
You both guys are not clever, man.
We're
All the time you are on phone.
busy.
All the time you are on phone, see?
We're very busy. So.
What is exact all of
We changed the board from the other machine, so we'll see. Maybe gonna be okay. Because if it become hot and then start losing power. This one is working. We need to repair the circuit board. So the processor problem from last week or long time ago?
It's coming like long time, but it's not coming like this. It comes once in a while. But now,
All the time. So that means before, if the power supplies become hot, it start losing the power. So now getting bigger problem. No worries, we're here to fix it. If not, we're gonna change the board. So every board 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every board is different functions. This is for the hydraulics. This is for the light curtain. This is for the
all the cams,
lobe. This is the circuit, you know, divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
everyone is different, no?
So that's our plan today, guys. Replace the our console, and I will see. See guys, that's it for now. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.